Favourite things, it's the dashboard, just how it all wraps around you. It's something about just sitting in it and having everything towards you. It's just amazing. I'm Zach, I'm 21 and I own a MK4 Toyota Supra. It's always been a dream of mine. There's something about Supras that I've always loved, whether it be the shape, the sound, just how crazy you can make the engines, everything about them. It's just perfect for me. And I've always loved 90s Japanese cars, and it just, for me, it's like the epitome of 90s, the Supras. What got me into cars was Fast and Furious 1 and 2, star cars being the Supra and the R34 in the second one. Always loved 90s Jap cars, and those two were just the cars back then for me. A Jap Speed front strut brace, it's got a full power flow exhaust system, it's got BBS LM 18-inch all-round, it's got the TRD spoiler, got a top secret front bumper, don't know the make of the side skirts or the rear spats. Future plan for the car, definitely going turbo because I'm already bored of the power levels. I want new wheels for it, I'm not a fan of the wheels. Maybe I might mix up the side skirts and the rear just to make it match a bit better with the top secret. Thinking about maybe a new wing. I want to chrome as much of the engine bay as possible to get it nice and shiny. The current one was imported, but I don't know who by. I believe it was 2008 it was imported, so it is a Japanese model. That car gets a lot of attention, but like on the drive up here, everybody just passes me on the motorway, they're all just like, ooh. And then every time I go into town, it's everyone just turns around, breaks their necks. It's quite funny to watch because everyone's just like, Supra. Even like the people that don't know about it, they just look because it's white, loud, and it's just out there. The other Supra is going to be under £10,000. Paid, I think it was £9,866. Sent that money over to Japan. Pictures of it looked immaculate, the car. I knew it needed the bonnet respraying, but it looked perfectly fine. I was like, it's just a bonnet respray job, it'll be fine. I got the export documents a week before the car landed, and then I got told I had £1,400 to pay for HMRC duty and all that. So I had to find 1,500 quid out of nowhere, got the money, paid it all off, then went up to Grimsby, saw the car in person, and it was just a shed. All of the panels needed respraying. There was like burn marks down one side, the roof was just completely gone down to metal. Double and triple check people's reputations, because the person that I went through, they had a good reputation, been a friend of mine for over a year now. Ask customers about previous experiences, search through their reviews, everything like that. Just do more checks than you would normally. I had the Max Power poster, and the cars on it are all, I still have the poster to this day. It's awful cars on it. But there was just this blue and white Vauxhall Astra with a wide body on it, about 20-inch rims on it. It was awful, but back in the day I just loved it. I would possibly import again, but it would have to be for the right car. Luckily, there's still quite a few cars about in the UK that I like, so the ones that I want to get in future, I'm not looking to import them, but if something special comes up for import, I might possibly take the chance.